Okay, what's the midpoint of AE? Well, A is here at -6, and E is there at 8. How do we use those numbers? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to average them. The average is smack in the middle. How do you average something? You add it together, divide by 2. So what do we get when we add together -6 plus 8? -6 plus 8 is 2. And that's over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what's at 1? D is at 1. So we should be able to say, D is the midpoint, which would be the response A at the start. And then B and C, it gives us some other numbers that if we were calculating it wrong, we might get that. We can just confirm this by counting. We should be able to count the same number of units from one endpoint to D and the other endpoint to D. So we say from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that makes sense. If it's in the middle, it's exactly the same distance. But that's how you do it. You average them. You add the 2 points together, divide by 2, and you will get the number at which the midpoint falls.